Hello, my name's John Botting. Welcome along to my video today, and I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic secret underground system that's going to place people into your network marketing downline for you on autopilot. I know you've heard it all before, and a lot of them have failed. This one isn't going to fail, and it isn't failing, and I'm going to run you through a presentation today that's going to get you very excited, and at the end of it you're going to have the opportunity to join this team build for free. Okay, so let's get started. So, are you fed up with your upline and your company training saying things like this? Make a list of 100 people, write down their names and phone numbers, hold meetings with your friends and your family and your neighbours. Just talk to 5 new people while you're in the checkout queue in the supermarket. Blah, blah, blah. I actually saw a corporate opportunity presentation 2 weeks ago by a major international company. And they said, the first thing you need to do when you join our company is write down the names and phone numbers of 100 people, 100 friends and family, business people that you know, like your accountant and your dentist and your doctor. What? Really? It doesn't work anymore. It sucks at the soul, and it is draining, quite frankly. And I'll tell you something, it isn't duplicatable. People don't want to do it. And to be successful in growing a network marketing downline, you need to be able to duplicate. You need for people to be able to duplicate what you're doing, and that's where the growth comes from. Well, there is an answer, and that is the internet. And it is a total game changer. But you need to know what you are doing. You need help, guidance, training, and a team that supports you and is working with you and heading in the same direction as you. Well, congratulations, my friends, you have found it. And that team is HB Vitality. So what do we do that is different? Well, it's easy, actually. We just show you what you need to do. We hold your hand, we support you, and we help to grow your downline for you. We show you how to do blog posts, but not any old blog post. No, we show you what to write and how to get your post ranked high on Google and using a high ranking, high authority blog site. And we give you the keys to that site. We show you how to do videos and how to get them ranked high up on YouTube and on Google. We show you how to use Facebook and other social media sites without shoving your link in people's faces, without sending messages to people and just saying, join my opportunity, it's fantastic. We don't do anything like that. We have a team of MLM leaders who have done this before and successfully. They have grown massive teams in other companies, and they are doing it again within our network marketing platform, and that is HB Naturals. As a team, we are generating massive amounts of traffic to authority blog posts and YouTube videos, and we are driving that traffic to a team rotator. You see, what makes any company or team, for that matter, successful is a system. Just look at McDonald's. Their system is the same around the world, and it works. And that's why people pay $1 million to buy a McDonald's franchise. Well, we have a network marketing system that works, but we don't want you to pay us $1 million for it. We are actually giving it to you, our team members, free. Our system is actually placing builders into your team instead of the slugs that you normally get. Wow. This is different, eh? Our little known system, and it's a unique system, and I can say that with all sincerity, this system is unique, and it's purring away in the background, secretly working at bringing people with their credit cards out into your downline. And on top of the work that we're all doing, the leadership of HB Vitality is also running paid ads via Facebook and Google, adding people into the team rotator. They are also advertising in magazines, and at the moment we have a full-page ad in summer 2020 running in the Home Business magazine. And that is driving lots of traffic, lots of people into the team rotator. And it's spitting them out as qualified, paid up team members for your downline. And there's no cost to you for this at all. So you have found that dream team finally, and you'll love what we do. We support each other's growth. We're building together, and we're on fire. We're ranking up. We're earning commissions. And we're getting fast start bonuses. All of us. Why? Because we have a system. And it works. You won't find any of our team creeping around at the mall, hosting home parties, tapping up family or prospecting strangers online ever again. The game has changed and will never go back. And neither will you if you make the decision to join us. This is literally life-changing. You'll be taught the skills that will impact your life and your wallet for the better. So what you must do now is join up for free by clicking the link below in my comments box. That will give you a free test run of the system. Then you'll be asked to join our private Facebook group where you will meet us, start to go through the basics, and if you like what you see, and why wouldn't you, you then just commit to buying products from HB Naturals, and that's it. You're in. Follow the simple instructions and start getting people placed in your downline. Join now. Don't fuff around thinking, what if it doesn't work? What if blah blah blah? Get off the fence or you'll give yourself splinters. No excuses. It's free and we are global. Now join for free and take the test drive. What do you have to lose? Literally nothing. It's free. But what could you lose if you don't join? Well, you'll never know. So wherever you are in the world, you are welcome in our family. Click the link below now. Join the team for free. And I really look forward to working with you. Every success. See you on the inside. This is John Botting signing out. Bye-bye.